Don't skip this video, it's very important. Listen to me, please. My dear technician, you're welcome to my new video. So today's video, I have a lot of things to share with you that will help you in this phone work, because I know a lot of people, see this work as something that's, is risky and is something that can send them to, station, to station and a whole lot of things. Anyway, today I just want to, tell you something that you have to know. It is important because I don't want you to get into problem, and I always want you guys to, to be safe and, enjoy this work. Okay. So without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, I posted yesterday evening that I want Akwa Ibom State technician to unite. Okay. I want everybody in Akwa Ibom State, if you're a phone technician, I want everybody, all of us to have organization, okay? I want all of us to have organization. Then we have a center, could be in Uyo, and for me, I prefer let it be in Uyo, or maybe till then, anyway, but I will let everybody know, okay? I want all of us to have organization. Then we have a place that all of us will be meeting. Then all of us will be meeting, okay? All of us will be meeting, like we come, all of us from different local government, from different places, we come, then we have a meeting, okay? We talk about how we can improve ourselves. We talk about how we can, move this phone work to a greater way, because I want all of us to learn, okay? Then we talk about how we can help a lot of apprentices, because I want a lot of apprentices to learn more, okay? We talk about how we can help a lot of other technicians to learn more. Okay, then for those who do not have tools, we plan to help them get tools. And, there are a lot of things I want all of us to unite so we can have it. Because a lot of technicians, they do not have a lot of tools and a lot of things, to help themselves, to fix phone. So with the help of uniting, then we will get that. My dear technician, please let me know what you think in the comment section about what I said. Please let me know. And have in mind that what I said is not only for Akwa Ibom. Anywhere you are in this world, you can come and join us, okay? I want all of us to unite. I want all of us to have organization, that we will use the organization to help a lot of people, especially apprentices that are just starting this phone work. My dear technician, there was a day I talk about how you can make money as a phone technician. I don't mean online, okay? I'm not talking about online here. Online is not here, okay? I'm not talking about online, okay? I'll be teaching you how you can make money as a phone technician. My dear technician, someone told me a few days ago that there's no way a phone technician could repair phone and use the money to buy a car and also buy a house, or even buy other things that are expensive. I mean expensive things worth millions of naira or dollars. My dear technician, when he told me that, I was like, are you trying to say that phone technician can make millions of naira or dollars? He told me, I don't really know, but I've not seen a phone technician getting a private jet before, doing this, doing that, doing this, okay? I was like, wow, so that's what you want? Anyway, my dear technician, I want to share with you some important thing that you have to know. My dear technician, there was a day my mom asked me, are you really sure you want to work phone? You want to repair phone? You want to become a technician? I told my mom, yes, this is what I like to do. No, this is what I like to do. Since being a Reverend Father did not work out for me, I want to become a phone technician. Right now, I know you're sure because I talk about Reverend Father. I wanted to become a Reverend Father, but something happens. I will share with you later. It's a long story. Okay? I will share with you later. So, anyway, it did not really work out for me. So, my mom asked me a question. Father Joe, are you sure you want to become a phone technician? And I told my mom, yes, this is what I want to do. I want to repair phone for a living. My mom said, are you really sure? I told my mom, yes. And she told me, Father Joe, you're my son. I will give you 2 weeks for you to go and think about it and give me reply later. I told my mom, okay, there's no problem. So after that, I start thinking, at the end, I still conclude. I still told my mom, I want to repair phone. This is what I love. So my mom told me, okay, go ahead. I support you. So a lot of people start saying things like, be very careful, phone work. If you spoil somebody's phone, they will arrest you, they will do this, they will do that. I was like, I can't stop. I must continue with this journey. I must continue with this journey. I can't stop. This is what I love. If you like, tell me that they will arrest me today. I'm telling you, I love this work and I can't quit it. What did I say? I say, I can't quit this job. I can't quit this job. I must continue to do this phone work. They told me a lot. Phone technician, is it easy for a phone technician to buy a car, to do this, to do that? They brought a lot of things, like they start thinking a lot. I told them, for me, I'll buy a car. I'll buy a car when it is time. I'll buy whatsoever I want to buy when it is time. Okay? When I told them, they told me, Father Joe, I love your confidence. Keep going. You are smart. I laugh. My technician, what I'm trying to say is that don't quit this job. Never allow anybody to tell you that this work is risky. If they tell you this work is risky, my technician never allowed anybody to make you quit this job. My technician never allowed anybody to make you quit this job. I want you to keep on going no matter what. Never allow anybody to make you quit this phone work. I love this work and I will continue doing it. It's my work and I will continue doing this work. It's my work. Okay? If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have. Let me know right now if you have any question in the comment section. My technician have a lot of things to share with you. My technician, on my next video, I'll be sharing with you how you can become a billionaire just by repairing phone. My technician, I'm not talking about online. This is completely offline. Just by repairing phone, you can make billions and billions of naira or dollars. Okay? The video is coming soon. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I love you all.